stocks in the U.S. under pressure in the early going on this Monday morning. Let's head overseas. Talk to Yahoo Finance's Oscar Williams-Grut about the state of markets over in Europe. Oscar.
Well, Miles, it's not a great start to the week over here in Europe. We had most major indices across the UK and Europe open lower this morning by, on average, about 0.5%. We've since seen the sell-off worsen as the days gone by, notably in the last couple of hours as the futures market over there has sold off, and then this sell-off at the open on Wall Street, that's really hit indices and confidence over here. We're now seeing losses of 1% plus across Europe. Before then, the big thing that was weighing down confidence was continued concerns about the path of the COVID-19 pandemic. All the talk here in the UK is that government ministers may ramp up restrictions in Britain as the virus continues to run rampant. Now, what that may look like is a ban on exercising with one other person, which is what the regime currently allows, and even possibly a curfew. That's being talked about in the press. Of course, the stricter the lockdown gets, the worse it is for the UK economy, which is why we are seeing both stocks and the pound come under some pressure today. There's also concerns in Europe. UBS said today, trimming their forecast for Eurozone growth this year from 6.2% down to 5%. That's in light of tighter and longer lockdowns. That's their words. And they said they're now expecting a negative growth in both the Q4 2020 and the first quarter of 2021. I also want to mention some forecasts we're getting over the longer term of the impact of the Brexit deal on the UK economy. This morning, JP Morgan described the deal as thin gruel and said it could shave as much as 10% off the size of the UK economy over the longer term. Bank of America giving a similar estimate, although slightly lower, 7.5%. Whichever way you cut it, it is a pretty bad outlook for the UK. And just finally, I want to mention Entain, the parent company of Ladbrokes, which has, of course, been courted by MGM Resorts. They had a $11 billion bid knocked back last week. Well, a surprise twist in this takeover tale. The CEO of Entain, he's only been in the job for 6 months. Today, it was announced that he's leaving. He's got a better offer and he will be off. This is bound to make Ladbrokes look more of an attractive bid target, surely, given the turmoil in the boardroom. Definitely one to watch there.
Yes, the classic move, my company wants to be acquired, so I will now leave the company. Interesting story there. All right, Oscar Williams-Grut with the latest in overseas markets. All right.